logged into Rhythmic this morning. 7:37 a.m. Pacific Time, Wednesday, January 25th. Here's where we're at today. 51,344.04. Threshold 48,846.03. Peak balance 51,346, so we're less than $2 off that, $1.99 off of that, so made some progress getting back. Alright, logging into NinjaTrader. That matches. New chart. Yes. Okay. Apex account. Wow, that's a huge sell-off. Goodness sakes. Look at that. We came off of those. $40.47. Goodness sakes. And we're at the lows of the day already. Pessimism in the markets. Some might say this is where we're supposed to be anyway. And I want my data box, and I want to draw our EMA. Had to step away for a few moments there, and alright, we're getting our EMA 21, apply. Okay. Boy, things changed quickly around here, don't they? Look at that. That was our lows we were just talking about. We just pulled off of them. Alright, well, we know we have a bearish bias, big sell-off. Let's see where we're at right now. Break of the trend line, and that one is reaching a new high. You know, if we call this our trend line, closed outside, reached a new peak. We'll see if that's going to keep going. If it does, then our trend line grows wider. Like here, this would have been a decent time to get in, possibly off the EMA. Maybe first entry long. I mean, maybe not. That would be like a second entry short, or excuse me, first entry short off that low. First entry long, no second entry long, fail, none of that. So here we have first entry short, kind of a second entry short. Two matching tops in there, I think, right? Ticked up 72.25, 72.25, and then our attempt to go short and then long. Maybe you call that second entry long, and could have got a good scalp out of that. So we gotta watch and see where this is coming down to. I think we'll do 3 contracts. I don't have a lot of time this morning. I have a appointment in a few hours, so 1 or 2 trades. Can't be playing the games today. Just gotta get in and get out. 2 scalps. What do we have here? Matching highs, first entry long, first entry short.
Order filled.
This was bad timing. I should have waited on that, I think, but yeah, push
Target
through.
filled.
Hey, alright, we take it. But what was I seeing here? first entry short, second entry short. It should have got in up there, but late to the party because I'm paying attention to other things. That was a risky move, but hey, we'll take it. I'm gonna wait. I feel that I got lucky on that one short underneath the EMA there. 135 is what we're showing. $15 in round trip fees is what that is. So $7 each way. 2, 4, 6. So it's like $1.30, $2.33. Let's see what that other. Might as well go to Lifetime. See what they're charging. Oop. Orders 69. Wait. 70. Buy to cover. Yeah, at 1 point, of course. Three, 1, buy. 2 and 1. 244, not 233. Log in. Total commission $11.94. Yeah, so $11.94 divided by 6. It's $1.99 per direction. So $2.98 per round trip. Is that what we're talking about here? Excuse me. That would be $3.98 per round trip. $3.98 per round trip. $4. Okay, matching highs. That's a first attempt to go short. Maybe this is it. The sell-off. That's a pretty big candle selling down. Somebody's buying it up though. Alright, we'll pause and see where we end up in a few minutes. Hasn't even been a few minutes, but I just wanted to resume to see, to show you that the buyers are not, we're not done there. We got the first attempt to go short, and then we went long. Poked up even higher, 380, 39.80. Anyway, let's pause and see. We had first attempt to go long, second attempt to go long off of that high. Is that a buy signal so far from the EMA? Goodness gracious. Somebody's buying it, but I'm not. Well, I sure missed a lot of action on that run up. I mean, come on, right? Breaking new extreme down. We haven't closed outside of this lower end of the channel. Goodness gravies. That is some funky looking stuff. Sell down to the EMA, buy it all the way back up. There it was. Let's try it.
Order filled.
I got nothing else to do right now. Hit it. Hit it. Don't get me stuck. Don't get me stuck. Oh, you dirtbag. Wow. That's not pretty. Shoot. That's probably gonna stop me out.
Stop filled.
Yeah. That was a trap. Now we're down on the day, which sucks.
Order filled.
Now let's try selling it, since I have nowhere else to go. There's our short. And they're buying it up. Oh man, this is choppy chop. You don't want to be on this side. This is poor trading, kids. Now I have to play in their game. Oof, 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 oof. First red day, is it? First red day, is it? Yeah, hammer it down. Hammer it down. I don't really have much choice in the matter here. Unless I just say, okay, let's take a reasonable target. This is complete speculation. I have nothing else I can possibly do here other than pick a target.
Target filled.
What? Target filled? No, 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 no. What was that? You shitbag. I didn't... this double clicking is killing me.
Order filled.
Ay, yo. I'm all over the place, kiddos.
Order filled.
Was that just a wash? That was a freaking wash.
Order filled.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just I don't know what I'm doing. It's all recorded for posterity. That's what's nice about it all. So I can say, what were you thinking? You know? I misclicked something and lost my mind. Yeah, see, this is...
Order filled.
Yeah, I need to get out. $701. What is happening? What just happened? $697 profit. 49. Look at that. I got $1,600 now to work with. And now I'm Scrooged.
Order filled.
I think what I have to do is make a prediction and see if we can get it happening. Yeah, my prediction is bad. It's a bearish bias today, kiddo. I don't know what's happening in here, but it's really awful. So many tricks and traps. I need some buyers. I need some buyers to come in and rescue my sorry ass. Pathetic.
Order filled.
Just trying to get something. Trying to get something out of it. You know? Alright. This was not how I wanted to end the day. Look at this, children. 559. Minus 559. How much work did I have to do? And now I'm back under 51,000. Yeah. Man, did that come off. And I have to go. Well, that would have been nice, right? If I just tried buying again on that thesis. Or just held on to that target. Anyway, kids, let's shut it down. Poor day of trading. Yeah. Win some, lose some. Day 5 is... Should have shut it down early. In 9 minutes, basically. 9-10 minutes. Went from green to red. And significantly in the red, so... Let that be a lesson. People of Earth. Hey randos. Hey traders. Well, I went to my appointment. My meeting. And as you can see, I have a box open here. Well, after I came back, I jumped on because it just felt so bad having such a down day. I just wanted to see if there was anything I could do. And you can see here I almost got to break even. You know? It's better. It's better than it was. So not great, but man, it's feels good to be back over 51,000. Thanks to some lucky trades, which we can talk about. I logged in, saw this massive change, as you're probably well aware, in the market. It's a big old smiley face. Big sell-off, turned it around. Crazy. I did not think that would happen. Such a reversal. But it did. And you know my trades earlier in the video, that fiasco. Boy, that was just pure madness. I mean, a crazy person was sitting at the computer. Well, anyway, maybe I got lucky here, but anyway, saw this when I sat down. Just a little blip of a trade, again, kind of fear-based, 2 ticks. Could have got a full scalp out of that. There was only one contract. I didn't even have my things set up right, so yeah. Anyway, I came back to the computer and thought we were breaking down big time. You can kind of see it is, actually. Got in early to the party, as usual. Had to double in at the EMA, because I was thinking, yeah, this is a sell-off at the end of the day. And I also said, don't trade at the end of the day. And rule breaking completely, yeah. So anyway, I got out at like, it was like 2 points total, but break even for my first 3 contracts and a nice win there. It was like 2 points or so. 26.50, 23, 25. Is that 3 points? No, that can't. Well, anyway, I didn't even look. I was too excited. I wasn't even going to record this, but I wanted to show that I did make a bit of a comeback to close to break even. All things considered, that makes me happy. Whoa, look at that. Yeah, I definitely have some, unsmooth connection issues because this one here caught me. And, I thought I was buying in here. Next thing you know, a couple of ticks go by and bam, this thing just lollipopped and turned on me. But see, look how low I bought. Terrible. And it kind of broke down. I could have ridden it down a little more, but, got to take profit. So I was just looking at some measurements here. Kind of had a target around 20. Good thing I didn't try to ride that out, because that would have backed up on me. Something fierce. I trying to count legs. I just, break, new extreme, run up, not done selling off, 2 legs. Let's take a look just for grins. Thereabouts. Yeah, not even a full 2-legged move. Now we're just shooting up to continue that bullish trend, of a reversal day here. We're almost back to where we were fighting around yesterday. 40-35-ish, up top there. But boy, that got hit hard. So anyway, let's take a look at our sitch. Gross 25, realized total minus 77. Gotta say that feels good. Yeah, 26.50, 23.25. So that was a break even. 3.25 points. That was good for something. That is 3.25. So that's $450.25, $465, $462.50. One trade coming back. Imagine if I didn't have that foolishness from earlier, you know what I mean? Gosh. Even a fraction of the foolishness. Things would have been nicer. But we're approaching done time. And just going to resist the urge to do anything right here. Executions. $204 each way. So yeah, just an FYI, what I did was I went back, if you didn't see it, and I edited, and we're doing lifetime Ninja Broker lifetime, and that is the closest approximation of our commissions. Yeah, $100 in commissions. That takes your P&L down for sure. So let me just do a quick math. Let me math it up real fast here. Peak balance is 51,513.63, but we want 51,269.54. Let's try that again. 51,269.54. And we're subtracting our threshold, 49,013.63, 22.5591. That's what we have to play with here. So we pulled back. We were almost back up to 2,500. But you win some, you lose some, I guess. But today was not a good day for trading, and thanks to some heroics at the end, I almost pulled out a green day today. So let's shut her down. Exit application. Let's just look at the Ninja as we finish up. Let's just watch out the last minute here of market. See what happens. Kind of curious. I had actually, just for grins, wanted to see if they were going to run it up like that. If we had a two leg, bam, that would have been fascinating. 40-40, the 40-40 club, right? 40 home runs and 40 stolen bases, I think. Yeah. And yeah, we're just basically done on the day now. Time 13 and 47 seconds, 48, 49, 50. Usually that last minute, it goes to the last minute or so, and then you just see volume just dry up. So 1 o'clock, 1:01 means 4:01 New York time, and people are just getting out for the end of the day. So almost recouped that whole pullback. And here, look at here, I am going short in this mess. Imagine if I went long, 23.25. I would have only had, 3.5 points of heat. Here I was faced with 23, 3.25. Well, actually a little bit more. If you think about it, that's almost 4 points of heat, But I lucked out getting out there. Believe me, I was happy. I took that and was stoked. Alright, that's pretty much looking like it's wound down for the day. And not too bad of a recovery. Could have made some good money both sides. Playing both sides today. I mean, crap, I could have just bought. I could have bought here, put my stop underneath the low of the day, and come back and sold, and been, stoked. Been done a long time ago. But yeah, that's all shoulda, coulda, woulda. Or if my grandmother had wheels, she'd be a bicycle. Alright, we're gonna shut her down. Thanks for staying tuned. And yeah, we feel good today. Meeting went well earlier, and we almost got back to break even. So, alright, signing off. Random Dave out.